Hi guys! Today I have a very exciting unboxing to share with you guys. Oh, it's a bug. Today I have a very exciting unboxing to share with you guys, and it is from the LOEWE and Spirited Away collaboration. Look how cute are these packaging. I love them so much. I'm so excited to share with you guys what I got. So if you're not familiar, LOEWE, they're a Spanish luxury brand, and they did a collaboration with Studio Ghibli last year. They collaborated with My Neighbor Totoro, and this year what they did was they collaborated once again with Studio Ghibli, and it is Spirited Away. I love the packaging, and I actually really enjoyed the collection as well. I think they really upped their game this year. The first item I love to share with you, so I got 3 SLGs and 1 ready to wear. I didn't get any of the bags because I knew that it was a little bit too pricey for me, and I knew I probably wouldn't wear it as much, but I love the bag so much. All the handbags, the design were so beautiful. The first thing I want to share with you is I bought everything online, and it did come with a gift with purchase for the collection, and it comes in this little envelope, and they gifted people who bought the collection stickers, and these are so cute. Let me just do a little quick flip through. So this one is Bo Mouse, so it's the little dust bunnies. Not sure if they're dust bunnies, but they're really similar to the dust bunny from Totoro. And there's a no-face, Chihiro, the frog. They actually did a lot of, they had like a handbag with the frog, which I thought was really funny. And they had the baby. I love the baby so much, it's so cute. So it came with 4 sheets of stickers. I love stickers. I'm a sucker for stickers. I collected them when I was a kid, but I probably won't be using these. These are just too cute to be used. So let's unbox the first one. So this is an SLG, and it comes with the Chihiro packaging, and it is a sleeve, so you would take it off. And then this is the classic original LOEWE box. And then inside is, so it comes in this little pamphlet with Chihiro on it. I thought it was really cute. And I believe it just kind of gives you a little bit of information on the collection. And let's see. Okay, so this is the item that I'm most excited about. For those who were online during the pre-sale, you would know the website is almost not manageable. So I was really, this was actually the first thing that I added in cart, and I was really glad that it successfully checked out. But it was a pain, let me tell you. So this is the card holder that I got, and it's with the Bo Mouse character. So this is my favorite Spirited Away character. 2 card slots in the front, and then 2 card slots in the back, and it also has the middle compartment where you can put more cash or cards. It's in this very beautiful red, and what I love about it is this pattern. Is made out of different leather, so it's actually in this more I would say kind of in a textured leather, so it really contrasts with the red. So I believe this card holder is in calfskin, so it's very smooth to the touch, like butter. It's very similar to Chanel's lambskin, and yeah, this is absolutely so cute. Can't wait to start using it. Alright, and then the next item, to kind of switch it up, I'll share with you the only ready to wear I got. It comes in the Haku packaging, and the back is the same. It's also a sleeve. And it comes with, you see, the tissue paper. And that little character. Okay, so this is the ready to wear item I got, and it is the scarf. So this is one of the characters. I believe it's a duck or a chicken. I'm gonna call it duck for now because it kind of looks like a duck. But this is my second favorite character. I love the duck. I believe they're one of the spirit gods. I'm not sure. More of a minor character in the movie, but I just thought he is so cute. And this scarf really reminds me of the really trendy acne scarf, where it's super colorful, and it's in this gorgeous matcha color mixed with more of a beigey color. And I thought it looked really nice with the yellow contrast. And what I love most about it is really in the detail, the craftsmanship of the duck. As you can see, it's gorgeous. You can see the detail of the embroidering. It's really beautiful. And then my other favorite is they stitch a leather piece here, and it shows you the LOEWE logo as well as the Studio Ghibli logo. And you can see my neighbor Totoro here. I thought that was such a cool detail that they have. But yeah, so this is a scarf. Alright, so next item I would love to share with you is another SLG. And it came with the same pattern as the other one. The sleeve. And it is the No Face coin holder. I love No Face, even though he is a little bit creepy, but I love this pattern, and I think it looks really, really nice with the red. So this is actually the same shade of red as the card holder, but this one is just in a different style where it's in a coin holder, and has zipper on the top. And if you unzip it, you can put coin or cash in it. And then on the back, it actually has a couple of card slots. It has 4 card slots in the back. And I think this style is actually a lot more convenient, at least for my lifestyle, than the card holder. It just kind of gives you a little bit more options to secure your stuff. And then last but not least, the final SLG. Here's the final item that I got. It came in this, it's just a normal plain box without any characters on it, but okay, so I couldn't help but get the other SLG in the same pattern as the card holder. So as you can see, these are the exact same pattern, but this is a trifold wallet. So it is a little bit more expensive. So I believe this retail for 600 upwards, and it's the exact same motif as the card holder, but the bone mouse character is slightly bigger on the trifold wallet than it is on the card holder. And let me just share with you how this works. So you open it up, and it's in your normal wallet style where it has 2 card slots on each flap. And what I love about this wallet in particular is that it also has the Studio Ghibli and LOEWE emboss on it, the logo emboss on here. So I thought that was a really good touch. And then here you can put your cash, receipt, and whatnot on it. And then in the front, you can open it and you can put coins or additional items in the front. So there you go. I think this is probably the most convenient style, but personally it is a little bit bulky. I usually just grab a card holder. I don't have a wallet, so I think this would be a great addition for me. But yeah, so this is all the items that I got. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and hopefully next year they will come up with another collab with Studio Ghibli. I'm really hoping it would be Howl's Moving Castle, which is another one of my favorite films. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed luxury videos, then please subscribe. I will be doing a lot more videos on what I got and sharing with you unboxings and kind of my journey in collecting handbags and whatnot. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.